Hello everyone, welcome to MetaEd. Now in this video we are going to talk about the bike selling price prediction. So now let's start. Here at the very first we have imported the library like pandas and numpy. Here we have imported our data from the GitHub as a CSV file, that is the bike price.csv file. And here we have plotted the first 5 rows of our data frame. These are the first 5 rows, and the columns like brand, model, selling price. Here like these are our columns. And here we have I have printed here the information of our data frame, like the data types of the column. Here we can say the brand is object data type, model is object data type, selling price is in 64, year end 64, like the data type of column. And null value, is there any like column contains null value or not? For example, here you can see that X showroom price contains 626 non-null value. It means it contains some null values. Here we have dropped the missing values. Drop the missing value by using pandas drop na method. Here it's contains some null value, so we have dropped using drop na method. And here we have printed the statistical information of our data set, like count, mean, standard deviation, and minimum, maximum, quartile, first quartile, second quartile, like that. And here we have now printed the like values count of brand, how many like for example like Honda, how many values content for Honda, like 170, for Hero 108, for like for example TVS 23, for like 3, like this. And here we have printed the column names of our data set, like the column names are brand, model, selling price, honor, kilometer driven, etc. And here we have printed the shape, that is number of rows and number of column of our data set. It consists of 626 rows and 8 columns. Here is our data contains some categorical value. Here you can see that, let me show you, like here brand, model, these are object, even seller, honor, these are the object type, these are the categorical type. So we have converted that categorical type into numerical. For example, we have converted the seller type, that is individual to 0 and dealer to 1. And here like first honor 0, second honor 1, third honor 2, fourth honor 3. Here we have encoded by using that replace method. And here we have defined x and y, x for dependent variable and y for x for independent variable and y for dependent variable. So we have dropped brand, model, and selling price from the x, as we don't require these columns in x. And for y we record only selling price, that's why we have assigned a selling price to y. And here we have splitted our data set. For splitting purpose, we have imported train test split from model selection. And here we have splitted the data into x train, x test, y train, y test. Using train test split, we have splitted the data set 30% into training set and not sorry 30% to testing set and 70% to training set. Here we have imported our model, as we are using linear regression model, so we have imported linear regression model from linear underscore model. Here we have fitted x train and y train to our model. And here we are getting the probability, like here linear predict, these are the prediction of our model. Here you can see these are the prediction of our model. Here we are evaluating our model. For evaluation purpose, we have imported mean squared error, mean absolute error, and R2 square from the matrix. And here we have printed the mean square error. Here you can see that this is the mean square error, and here we have printed the mean absolute error. You can see the mean absolute error, and here we have printed the R2 score, that is 0.88104, and here we have printing visualization of our actual versus predicted result. So here you can see that this is the actual, the vertical one is the predicted price, and the horizontal one the actual price. So here you can see in the visualization. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.